Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got Sterling in the house from H&S. Thank you so much for coming out, Sterling. We really appreciate it. We've got a special diesel talk with you guys today. We got the 6.7 Powerstroke intake manifold from H&S. Let's check it out. Now, Sterling, this thing has gone viral a couple times on our social media, but I'd love to learn more about the kit from your perspective. Tell me what all comes with the kit.
Sure thing. So in this kit here, you're going to get your manifold portion, your Y bridge. You're going to get your snout, is what we call it. It's actually a patented piece that we make. You're going to get your hardware pack. It's going to have your couple of clamps, your zip ties. It's going to come with your dipstick bracket. Basically every little bit of hardware you're going to need to install it. It's going to come with your boot here that connects the snout to the Y bridge. And then this kit that we have here is specific for a 2015 truck. So in 2015, Ford had an odd, really tall oil line on the turbocharger that this doesn't fit with. So specific to the 2015 trucks, we include, at no additional cost, an oil feed line and the bracket necessary for it. So when you're ordering these, if they're on your website, they'll see, do you have a 2015 truck? If they select yes, it'll come with the oil line. If you don't have a 2015, the kit just won't include the oil line with it.
Yeah, that's super nice that you guys include that, all those little nuances of, different truck years having those little problems. And just to touch on it, the year for this kit is 2011 to 2019, correct?
Yes, sir. Yep, and everywhere in between.
So Sterling, tell me more about this kit as far as from the customer's point of view. What can they benefit from installing this kit on their truck?
Absolutely. So really, this is a good reliability upgrade. The factory plastic intake manifolds on these trucks are junk. They get brittle, they crack. We've seen them get hot and melt. So really this is going to be a really good, honestly, a maintenance item to get rid of that plastic manifold before it breaks. Another nice thing about it is, another thing they can expect is an easy install. It's a whole lot easier to put on than the factory plastic intake manifold, and you don't need anything else for it. I mean, we include everything. It's obviously no tuning required. You can bolt this onto a stock pickup truck and go.
Awesome. So tell me about the warranty on this kit here.
So this kit falls into our lifetime warranty. Again, we really believe in our products. We believe we have the best products available, and so we're standing behind them. So this kit here, every component that you see in this kit carries a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty.
We love to see it, guys. And do you need to register it, or do you just, as long as you have proof of purchase, it's covered?
Yep, proof of purchase is it. You just need to be able to provide us with a receipt from where you bought it, and we'll take care of you.
Awesome. We love old school, guys. Well, if you guys are interested in this kit, and I know you are because I know you've seen the viral videos on it, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. Sterling, thank you so much for coming out. We really appreciate it.
Absolutely.